The title of today's lesson is called More on Reducing. First thing I'd like you to do is write the fraction 60/12ths down, and we're going to factor out both our numerator and denominator of our fraction. So we'll start out with our 60, and we'll do a simple factor tree here. 2 goes into 60 30 times. 2 goes into 30 15 times. 3 goes into 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times. So the factors of 60 are 2, 2, 3, 5. 2, 2, 3, 5. Now we'll do the same thing with our 12. Factors of 12 are 2 and 6 and 2 and 3. 3, 2, 2. Now we can cancel out whatever numbers show up in the numerator with the same number that shows up in the denominator. So for example, we see a 2 here and a 2 here, so we can cross them out. We see a 2 here, 2 here, cross them out. We see a 3 here and a 3 here, cross them out, and we end up with 5. The answer is 5. Let's take a look at another example. The fraction is 40/60ths. And we'll do the same thing. We'll start by factoring out our 40, 2 and 20, 2 and 10, and 2 and 5. So now we have 2, 2, 2, and 5 on the top. And then we can factor out our 60, 2 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 5. And our factors on the bottom are 2, 2, 3, and 5. So we'll do the same thing we did in the previous problem. If a number shows up on the top and on the bottom, we can cancel, cancel, and cancel. So we're left with 2/3. Okay? So far so good. Next, your turn. Here's your fraction, 60/20. Pause the tape, factor out the numbers, and cancel where you can. All right, let's see how you did. The factors of 60, which we did before, are 2 and 30, 2 and 15, and 3 and 5. So the top we have 2, 2, 3, and 5. Factors of 20, we have 2 and 10, 2 and 5. So on the bottom we have 2, 2, and 5. And we cancel again, we cancel again, we cancel again. Our answer is 3. Give yourself a smiley face if you got 3 for an answer. Next one, try this. This one's a little bit more difficult. It's 180 divided by 300. Factor out 180 and 300, and then cancel, reduce where you can. Pause the tape and work it out. Okay, so let's factor out 180 first. We have 2 and 90, 3 and 30, 3 and 10, and 2 and 5. So the factors of 180 are 2, 2, 3, 3, and 5. Okay, we'll do the same thing for 300. Factors of 300 are 2 and 150. And we have 2 and 75. And I'll take a little shortcut here. 3 and 25. And 5 and 5. So the factors are 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. So we can cancel out where we can. 2's, 2's, 3's, 5's. You end up with 3/5. Give yourself a big star if you got that one correct. And that's the end of the lesson.